just pulled up at the wash, about to hop out, read these directions, and see what's going on, man. I need to get this Plastidip off my wheels, see if this product really works. Let's get it, man. I'm gonna show you guys a little before. Really rough. I can get some of the Plastidip off of my nails, but it's really rough. It's all just caked in there, man. It's really not a good look. It's only on 2 of the wheels though, on the passenger side. This one's really bad, you can see. So just a little before, and then we'll spray this on and get it after. So let's get this out the bag here. I got the dip dissolve. You guys can see it there. Dip dissolve. Dipyourcar.com. It's wrapped up here with some plastic. Let's get this off and get spraying, man. Let's get it. All right, so just did the first coat. Let you guys kind of see how it's looking. Super windy, man. I gotta make sure I spray down this side of the car with water, soap and water. But you guys see, saturated it. Let this sit for about a minute. Go back over it. Let's get about another 10 more seconds. And we're gonna spray another coat. All right, it's been about a minute. I'm gonna put the camera down, spray another coat on there, give it another 60 seconds, see if the dip starts dripping down on the rims, wheels, rims, whatever y'all wanna say. See if the dip starts dripping down. If it is, we're ready to spray. If not, we're gonna probably throw another coat on there. So let's get it. All right, so it's been about another minute on that second coat. I'm gonna take my cold ass hands, ashy ass hands. We're gonna see. Let's get a good spot here. Oh yeah. Did you guys see it one more time here? Just gonna take my fingernail one time. Oh yeah, that comes right off. That comes right up. All right. Let's do this real quick. There it is. That's one down. That's 2. Wow. Got the paint off of them that easy. So after you're done with this, make sure y'all clean your car off. Don't want that stuff sitting on the paint. All right, let's get these dried up and out in the sunlight, man. I want to see this stuff.
Breathe you in like oxygen. Oh, in an otherwise suffocating world. I'm reaching out for arms, I'm drowning in the open-ended love we're making, girl. Exhale the past, inhale a future that lasts. Change my heart, change my mind.
Well, I can already tell it's gonna need a second coat or a second application, but I mean, for the most part, that's off. That's definitely off. You can see it there. Now it is some still left over. I mean, I can take my nail and clean it up. So I'm gonna go over. I'm gonna let these dry off a little bit. Go over there, redo it, and the that power washer is not the best, man. I think it's not strong enough. So if you got a strong power washer, they say 1800 psi or greater, that should come right off. Especially if you got like a 3000 or something like that, 2500. That stuff will come right off. So I'm actually impressed, man. I'm actually impressed. I'm gonna go do that second coat or a second application and see what it does. But man, that's a huge difference for sure. But there it is, man. Let me know what y'all think, man. All right, guys. So I just did that second run. Got most of it off. The wheels. I don't think that that power washer is strong enough. I mean, this stuff. Product definitely works. Just gotta make sure you got a strong enough power washer, and it should come right off. This thing's it might even work better if you agitate it a little bit with the cleaner on there, and just help it out a little bit if you don't have a strong enough power washer. But I mean, most of it's off. I ain't gonna lie to you. Who knows what they put on it before they put the Plastidip on there? It could have. I don't even know, man. But most of it's off. That's good enough for me. Man, that'll do it for me, man. Review's over. You guys see the wheels. Make your own, conclusions. To me, it did work. Did get the gold Plastidip off the wheels. Just got that bottom layer. I don't know what that is. Or maybe it's because of my wheels, a different finish. Might look a little different. Maybe if it was a gloss, it'd be easier to come off. Or they just put like a layer of primer coat on there or something. I don't know. But for me, man, it definitely worked. If you guys need some Plastidip remover, dipyourcar.com. Get the dip dissolve. Try it for yourself. See what it is. And on that note, we're going to wrap it up. About to go back into hibernation, put the car away. I'm going to go run it through the wash for real. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe on the video. And I'll catch you guys on the next one, man. Peace out.